Here's another great RV from Nevada's #1 RV dealer, Johnnie Walker RV, family owned since 1963.
Hey, it's Kelly here with the Evo by Forest River model 2360.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop in today and see the difference when you're treated like family by our family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only representative of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations in every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next, so it's important to contact a Johnnie Walker sales associate for actual details about this floor plan. So, it's important to contact a Johnnie Walker team member for actual details about this floor plan. While watching this video, take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and usefulness. But there are many, many features you can't see, nor do we have the time to show them all to you in this short walkthrough video. You really have to come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this Johnnie Walker RV has to offer. We are a true 4-generation, family-owned and operated business. Let our family help your family make your RV dreams become a reality. For the best deal in Nevada, come to any one of our Johnnie Walker RV locations. We are continuously adding more inventory, so be sure to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel.
No planes, no ships, no overpriced trips. Roam free in your Johnnie Walker RV.